Abrar Yunus, who has the honor to carry the Pakistan flag.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the jumpers have landed safely. Team leader Commander Abrar Yunus will now assemble all the jumpers and later present the national flag to the chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to request the Honorable Chief Guest, Chief Minister Sindh, Syed Murad Ali Shah, to kindly address the audience.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Vice Admiral Faisal Rasool Lodi Sahab, Governor Singh, Governor Suri Sahab, Rear Admiral Arif Alvi, Coast, members of the Provincial Cabinet, visiting delegates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, general officers and soldiers of the armed forces, Assalamu alaikum. It's indeed an honor for me to witness this excellent conduct of Karachi show being part of Ideas 2022. It was heartening to watch professionally conducted demonstration of Pak armed forces, their capabilities which speak of their dedication and commitment to defend Pakistan against any aggression by the enemy. Such readiness is surety of peace, and that is being projected in Ideas 2022 under the theme Arms for Peace. Showcasing of weapons and equipment during the exhibition was a proof that technology plays an important part in the defense of any country, and also for the armed forces to undertake its assigned responsibility. Distinguished guests, I congratulate Pakistan Navy for arranging this incredible event at Nishan-e-Pakistan in a befitting manner. I have attended several of these air shows and demonstrations, but each time that I come here, I'm thrilled even more than before, and today was not an exception. It's also an honor for Pakistan that our friends from different countries